So we'll be making Korean hot dogs. So first we need prep. Ting! Oh wow, everything's ready. Okay, you want to skewer down the hot dog and the cheese into one, and then put it in the freezer. Put in all your dry ingredients: flour, salt, baking powder, sugar, milk, eggs, and then you have to mix it with that face. It's gonna be really thick, just like that. Then you want to pour your oil in, make sure it's heated up. Then you want to coat the batter with a spoon, and then coat it in some panko breadcrumbs. Then make sure it's 350 degrees and put it in to fry. You're gonna fry each side for 2 minutes and until golden brown. Take it out on a paper towel and sprinkle on some sugar. Put on your favorite condiment and voila. Let's get that cheese pull. That was so good.